Is it possible to extract just the single remedy rubrics of a remedy from a repertory? So one remedy rubrics. So I want to show you how to do that. And what you would do is come here to advanced search, and then you go to search remedies. And so here I am. And so what I'm going to do is, and here we are going to type the remedy that we want to search. So he wants to, for example, he wants to look at Ruta. So we did Ruta, or you can also pick multiple remedies. This will turn pink. And then complete. So I'm going to just take the complete now. Understand that the complete is a much larger compilation repertory. I'm going to not run it for all sections because then it might truly be a long search. Ruta is not that small a remedy. I think it has, it's an average size remedy. So I'm going to just change it to mind. But if you want it for all sections, you can certainly change this to all sections. And then match at least one. That doesn't actually work here because we only picked one remedy. If I had picked, for example, three remedies, then match at least one means it would also pull up rubrics in which one of those three remedies was there. So in this case, it doesn't matter. And then this is what we are really interested in, remedies in rubrics. And what we want to pick here is one. So we only want the single remedy rubrics here, and then I'm going to hit search. And there we are. So because I only did the mind section, it's only giving me the single remedy rubrics for Ruta in the mind section. So let's say you change your mind, you can go back to advanced search remedies. Your search is still there. You can see that. So what I could do is I could try and run it for all sections. And it doesn't matter now because I'm running it for all sections. I don't really care about keeping the mind rubrics because they will appear again. But let's say I had changed this to abdomen and I wanted to keep the mind rubrics, then I would hit the plus sign. And then what it would do is run the search on a separate tab. And that way you would have two tabs, one for the mind and one for the abdomen. But in this case, I'm just going to overwrite the previous search. So I will click on search. And you see it pulls up all the sections.